When it comes to choosing the perfect flooring for your home, there's a plethora of options available, each with a set of advantages and considerations. Among these choices, two popular contenders often stand out: engineered hardwood or solid hardwood flooring. Both offer timeless beauty and durability, but they differ significantly in composition, installation method, and sustainability for various environments. Let's delve into the nuances of engineered hardwood versus solid hardwood flooring to help you make an informed decision for your space. Composition. One of the fundamental distinctions between engineered hardwood and solid hardwood flooring lies in their composition. Solid hardwood flooring is crafted from a single piece of wood, milled from a solid timber plank. This traditional construction gives solid hardwood its characteristic solidity and thickness, typically ranging from 3/4 of an inch to 5/16 of an inch. On the other hand, engineered hardwood flooring is engineered for stability, sustainability, and versatility. It comprises multiple layers of plywood stacked in a cross-grain configuration, bonded together under heat and pressure. The top layer, known as the wear layer, is crafted from a genuine hardwood species, offering the same aesthetic appeal as solid hardwood. In general, engineered hardwood is more stable than solid hardwood. Durability and stability. Solid hardwood flooring boasts exceptional durability and longevity, capable of lasting for a generation when properly maintained. Its solid construction allows for sanding and refinishing multiple times, up until the tongue and groove section, usually 1/3 of the way in. This enables you to refresh its appearance and address surface imperfections. But keep in mind that once you sand the floor, the color it originally came from will disappear, leaving you with the raw wood species color. If you wish to keep the original color, make sure your contractor is adept with color mixing. Engineered hardwood offers remarkable stability, especially in environments prone to fluctuations in temperature and humidity. The cross-grain construction minimizes the expansion and contraction of wood, reducing the risk of warping, cupping, or gaps between planks. Additionally, engineered hardwood is less susceptible to moisture-related issues, making it suitable for basements, kitchens, and other moisture-prone areas where solid hardwood might be less advisable. Installation. Installation methods vary between engineered and solid hardwood flooring, often influencing the choice based on project requirements and budget considerations. Engineered hardwood offers greater flexibility in installation options, including nail-down, glue-down, or floating installation. Floating installation in particular involves interlocking the tongue and groove planks without adhesives or fasteners, allowing for easier do-it-yourself installation and suitability over various subfloors, including concrete slabs and existing flooring. Solid hardwood typically requires nail-down or staple-down installation over a plywood subfloor. This method demands precision and expertise, as the planks must be securely fastened to prevent movement and ensure uniform surface. Installing solid hardwood flooring on concrete subfloor requires careful preparation and the use of special materials to ensure successful and long-lasting installation. Before laying down the hardwood planks, it's essential to assess the moisture levels of the concrete subfloor and address any issues to prevent moisture-related problems in the future. Using proper installation techniques such as floating or glue-down methods further enhances the stability and longevity of the solid hardwood flooring. The glue-down method, using a moisture-blocking adhesive, helps mitigate the moisture transmission from the concrete to the hardwood flooring above. It also ensures a secure bond between the wood and the subfloor. Both engineered and solid hardwood flooring exude natural beauty and elegance, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any interior space. Sometimes people ask us, is engineered hardwood real hardwood? The answer is yes. Proper maintenance is essential to preserve the beauty and integrity of hardwood flooring, regardless of type. Both engineered and solid hardwood floors benefit from routine care, including sweeping or vacuuming to remove debris and damp mopping with hardwood floor cleaner to maintain cleanliness. Solid hardwood's thicker wear layer allows for more frequent sanding and refinishing, ideal for addressing surface scratches, dents, or wear over time. Engineered hardwood, while featuring a thinner wear layer, can still be refinished, albeit less frequently. However, Its enhanced stability and resistance to moisture make it easier to maintain in high traffic areas and humid climates. Cost considerations. Cost is often a determining factor when choosing between engineered and solid hardwood flooring. Solid hardwood tends to be more expensive upfront due to its construction. Additionally, the installation cost may be higher, especially if professional installation is required. Engineered hardwood offers a more budget-friendly alternative without compromising on quality or aesthetics. While the initial cost may be lower, it is essential to consider the long-term value and durability when making your decision. Investing in high-quality engineered hardwood with a thick wear layer ensures longevity and performance comparable to solid hardwood. Wear layers range from 1 mm to 6 mm, and typically 3 to 4 mm will be good enough to last for generations. If you're concerned about budget, or if you don't wear shoes indoors, you may opt for engineered flooring with a thinner wear layer. In the debate between engineered and solid, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Each option presents its own set of advantages and considerations, catering to different preferences, budgets, and environmental factors. Solid hardwood offers timeless beauty and durability, ideal for traditionalists seeking authenticity and longevity. Meanwhile, engineered provides versatility, stability, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness, making it a practical choice for modern homes and high-traffic areas. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, lifestyle, and aesthetic preferences. Whether you opt for the classic appeal of solid hardwood or the innovative features of engineered hardwood, both options promise to enhance the beauty and value of your home for years to come. We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. Choosing the right materials and installation method can be overwhelming for many. So, we've developed a simple process to guide you in making the best decision for your peace of mind and wallet. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.